How to create a public profile on Snapchat for under 18 users. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can create a public profile on Snapchat if you're under 18, so make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you'd like to create a public profile on Snapchat to post spotlight videos and do multiple more things, it's relatively simple to do that, but there are a few criteria that you need to follow, which I'm going to mention in this video. All you have to do is go ahead and launch the Snapchat application. Once you launch the Snapchat app, tap on a Bitmoji profile from the top left hand side of the screen. Over here, if I scroll down and show you, you have the option called Create Public Profile. Now in your case, you may not have this feature if you're under 18, and there are a couple of other privacy settings you need to customize as well. For example, if you're under 18 and you're not being able to see this feature, tap on the gear icon from the top right. And then the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to change our age or our birthday. To do that, just tap on your birthday button. And over here, make sure to enter an age and then update it so that you'll be able to be above 18 or at least 19 or 20 years of age. Once you've updated your date of birth, then you can come back. Once you come back, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you'll find the privacy control section. Over here, you can say contact me. So who can contact me? You want to set this to everyone. Who can send me notifications? Again, you want to set it to everyone. Who can view my story? Set it to everyone again. After that, spotlight reply settings as well. You can make sure that any of these privacy settings over here are set to the maximum privacy possible, which means that if there is friends and no one, you have to set it to friends and not no one. But if there is friends and everyone, you have to set it to friends. So if given from the options, you have to set it to the maximum privacy setting. Once you set all of these to your maximum privacy settings, you might not see this thing instantly, but then go ahead and then refresh the Snapchat app. Once you refresh the Snapchat app, now you'll see this feature. So just tap on Create Public Profile button. You'll be able to see all these options that you get with the public profile. Tap on Get Started, tap on the Create option, and you'll have successfully created a public profile even if you're under 18, but you have to change the age as well as your privacy settings for that. That's all it takes to create a public profile on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.